I'm good. I hope you're having fun at Haplay's Ace Tech booth.
I'm having a lot of fun. May I know your name?
My name is Aishwarya Parihar, and I am the Territory Manager for the Delhi NCR region for Surfaces and Water Solutions vertical.
What is your brand about?
So basically at Hafley, we have a vertical called Surfaces and Water Solutions, which is basically your sink faucets, as you can see, and also the surfaces for the kitchen countertops and all the exterior and interior application for your house.
Can you please show us?
Sure, definitely. So over here we have a range of, our Silgranite sinks. This is from a brand called Blanco, and also the pull-out faucets and the normal faucets, as you can see. This is the pull-out faucet, as you can see. We have different models, different colors displayed over here, and it is from a brand called Blanco from Germany.
From Germany.
Yeah.
And these ones?
These are the faucets as well from Blanco.
From Blanco
Yeah.
only.
So ma'am, basically over here we have a surface called Decton from Cosentino, Spain. This is a porcelain material for your exterior facading, your flooring, and all your interior wall cladding and etc.
And these?
These are your quartz surfaces from a brand called Caesar Stone. This is made out of a stone, quartz stone, Caesar Stone. This is basically for your kitchen countertops, your interior application, as well as all your interior use, your vanities, your bathroom vanities, etc.
Oh, nice. That's very great material. And this one?
Over here we have a wall of Terra. This is Hafley's in-house quartz range. This is also used for your kitchen countertops, your bathroom vanities, your wardrobe vanities. You get a different color shades palette is there. Along this with comes a 20 mm thickness as well. As you can see, we have launched some new colors, and these are very beautiful matte and gloss finish colors that you get.
And these are
quartz.
customizable?
Yeah, you can easily customize them to make your counters, you make your dining tables, make your coffee tables, etc. Whatever interior you want to have, you can easily have this with this tool.
Okay, thank
Thank
you
you
so
so
much.
much.
Hello, sir.
Hi,
How are you?
good.
May I know your name?
My name is Rajiv Raghavan. I am heading architecture hardware and glass fittings. This is our furniture fitting range. These are the new brass furniture handles.
All these are brass material.
It's all made of brass, and you will get it in all different finishes and different sizes.
And all different colors also.
Different
As you
finishes.
Can see,
Yeah,
black one.
black. This is polished brass, rose gold. Other side, there are different finishes available. And if you have a specific design also, we can do it also. In specific.
Customizable is
Customization
there.
also is possible.
ऐसे आप देख सकते हैं, you can see there's a golden shiny one. The matte one is
Matte
there
finish.
and the black matte is there.
As per their design or concept, we can also give different finishes or sizes. You can see some of these are very big ones as per
These
the
are the
design.
glossy
Yes.
ones.
We have different sizes design because we have concept. We are going with the different finishes for different products. But if you want to match everything like handles, furniture handles, and everything, so you can have the same one.
Okay, then please tell us about this one also.
So we have at least 5 finishes right now. And if customer needs something with a special finish design, if a designer want to design some handles, we can do that.
Like this one is the glossy one.
Glossy ones. These are rose gold. This is matte brass, and you can see this anthracite, matte black. So these are available in different finishes. And as per the door sizes, we can have different sizes also.
And about these?
These are our designer lever handles made of brass. We call this as Opulus range. So you will get complete handles, mortise locks, and cylinders with the matching finishes. Right now it is available in 5 finishes: rose gold, anthracite, antique brass, matte black, satin nickel. So these are the new designs what we launched.
These are the two notches designs.
Designs.
Nice. What are these materials of?
This is also made of brass, and availability is all available in stock.
So all are basically brass, but there the textures are totally different. Like
Different,
the matte one,
yes.
glossy
Because
one.
brass is a better material, you
Yeah.
will get better finish, and the durability of the finish is also better on brass compared to zinc. Because in the market there is zinc handles available, designer, but brass is a more durable material. This is available in different door weights. This will take up to 80 kilos. 2 hinges will take up to 80 kilos. These 2 hinges will take up to 120 kilos. These 2 hinges will take up to 200 kilos. It's
What is
for
the
the concealed. This is made of zinc, and the finishes you can get a different finishes to match. The speciality of these hinges, you will not see anything on the door when the door is closed. You can see this one. This door is made of concealed hinges. So the hinges inside, you will not see anything.
Yes.
And this is another hinge which is for the very heavy doors. If you have a 400 kilo dose, 2 of these can take that weight.
So all the materials are zinc made.
No, this is made of stainless steel. This is made of zinc.
So every particular have different.
Different finish or different door weight, you have different products.
And what are these?
These are high security cylinders made from Germany. We do it for especially commercial projects where you need a master key and all. So there are some special features for these cylinders. It's available with a magnet inside, so nobody can duplicate the key. And the system is also patented till 2038. So we especially order for the high security commercial buildings.
So are these customized?
Customized to customer requirement means you can get different finishes, different sizes. And if you have master key system which is required for high level security, you can do that as per the customer requirement.
Okay, thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
Hi, my name is Ishant Tiwari. I am from Hafele, India, Partitions and Automatics Division, heading north and east. So Hafele India is a global brand venturing into living spaces. With that, we have introduced new products, Duwele automatic sliding door solutions. This is basically for entry and exit lobbies, a standalone structure, a very unique structure where you can use it in the commercial spaces. So another solution from Hafele side into automatics, an automatic swing door with the help of a wave gesture. It automatically opens, and with a few customized cycles, say 5 seconds here, it will automatically close. Majorly used into commercial spaces or specifically for specially disabled bathrooms.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, hi.
How are you?
Doing good, thank you.
May I know your name?
Yeah, my name is Lalit, and I manage architecture lighting for Hafele, India, and that's about it.
So what this pavilion is?
Oh, this is all about lighting. The offering that we've got, both furniture lights and the architecture range of lights. And can I just walk you through the board, please?
Yes. What
Right.
lighting this is?
Oh, this is a kind of artwork that we have created using the profile lights. What we are showing here are the 3 variants. One is the recess mounted profile lights with the lip, and this is recess mounted without the lip, and we can suspend them as well.
And what about this one? This is a very unique product. This one.
Oh yes. Oh, this is a unique offering of Hafele in 2024. It's called One Cable X Possibilities.
How does this operate?
Oh, it works with Hafele's own technology. It's called mesh technology, and I'll just show you how we can operate this. Now I'm just switching on the 9-dot laser light.
Wow, that's so beautiful.
Yes, indeed. And I'm just switching on the shooter that precisely highlights the artwork on the wall. Not just this, we can also have linear lights put where this would be the effect. The beauty of this is each light can be addressed individually. All the lights are tunable and dimmable as well.
Wow. So these changes all the highestness and the lowestness of the
Oh
light.
yes, indeed.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thanks a lot.
Hello, sir.
Hello, ma'am.
How are you?
I'm good, ma'am. How are you?
I'm good too. May I know your name?
My name is Sumit Kanchan. I'm the Senior Area Manager for Hafele India Private Limited.
What luxury product you guys are showcasing today?
So right now I'm showing you a wardrobe, and in the wardrobe I'm showing you a Clar profile along with a Clar hinge, and it has got a 40 kg weight carrying capacity, one of its kind, and this is my wardrobe. All the wardrobe contains lighting, the different sections, and with something which is hinged in the top and the bottom, so there is no protrusion in between.
Thank you so much for telling us about the product.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Hello, sir.
Hi Anshika, good evening.
How are you?
I'm absolutely fine. What about you?
I'm good too. May I know your name?
Yeah, Daman this side. I'm looking after the premium appliances for Delhi NCR and UP West.
What product you have in premium appliances?
So in premium appliances, we have hoods, hobs, your washer dryer, your dishwashers, and built-in coffee machines that we have showcased during this ASTEC 2024.
Is this the new launch?
Yeah, this is a new launch and is currently live in the market. We have a 28 liters of microwave, which is named as Enzo, And along with it, we have an oven, which is a fully steam oven by the name of Medora, which is a 81 liter of capacity and generates steam in within 3 minutes. Apart from this, this has 1.2 liter of tank, which can run up to 30 minutes of your savings. Apart from this, we have a slider function. You can toggle between the timing starting from 10 degrees Celsius up to 100 degrees Celsius. These two products are live in the market from Hafele Premium Appliances.
Okay, thank you so much, sir, for telling
Thank you,
us
Nisha.
about the
Thank you
product.
so much.
Thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and ऐसे ही best business venue videos देखने के लिए stay tuned. See you in the next one.